Drinking, working and living in New Cross, within a stone's throw of Millwall's ground, Billy Plummer is a typical member of the treatment gang.
Breakfast. Come on.
He left school at 13 and is well aware of his limited horizons.
I love my mum, you know. Love my mum, of course. Anyone loves their mum, don't they? But I've never had a dad in the respect of a dad. My real dad left home, well, he didn't, my mother kicked him out, because he used to come home and beat her up and all that, you know what I mean? The second dad, he's inside at the moment, you know. He's all right, but he's not my real dad, is he? You know? I mean, me and him have never hit it off. I've just never had a chance, really, you know, chance to fulfill my ambitions, if I've got any ambitions, like, hidden. I don't know what they are. I've had a hard life, as it happens, compared to some guys like yous. I've had a very hard life. I've always been brought up to rowing, whereas you've been brought up in university. I've been brought up in street fighting, you know, every night. You know what I mean?
Hi, welcome to Sphere today, which is all about key character traits for Forex trading success. And what I'm going to be focusing on today is, accepting responsibility for your actions, and basically having the confidence to trade with discipline in the face of uncertainty. Now, most traders cannot accept responsibility for their actions, and most can't trade with confidence and discipline. There's a big sort of movement on Forex education online towards the idea that knowledge is power, textbook or academic knowledge is going to help you win. That's not true at all. You don't actually need much knowledge to win at Forex trading at all. And I saw something online that said, how can you compete with the big boys? Well, it's not difficult. Anyone can become a successful trader. And this will become clear as I go through the video as well. But first, I did an intro. They showed a guy there, his name I think was Billy Plummer. I remember seeing that program in, I think it was 1977. First program ever to focus on football hooliganism and the motivations behind the gangs, etc. And despite that guy's kind of violent behaviour, you actually kind of sympathised with him a bit in terms of he'd had a tough life, and you hear him say there, I don't know if I've got any ambitions. So why have I shown that clip? Well, the reason I showed the clip was in the late 80s when I was a broker. I taught a guy with a very similar background, and he actually supported the same team, which is Millwall. And when I took him on, he was absolutely superb at just about everything he did, from back office duties to eventually analysing the markets and then trading. He went on to become a good trader and got a great position in one of the main London brokerages. Now, he wasn't academically bright, but he was very, very good. So why was he so good? Well, he accepted responsibility for anything he did. And the one great thing about him was he wasn't worried about setbacks. That never bothered him. He had those in life, and he had a really high motivation to succeed. And he was just really focused on becoming successful. I've often found this. If you have someone, this applied to me when I was a broker as well as teaching traders. If you had guys who were too academically bright, they sometimes were egotistical, or they wouldn't admit they were wrong. And this is a real problem in Forex trading. You have to admit you're wrong, and you have to basically focus on a plan, and follow it with confidence and discipline. And Bill Eckhart, who's one of the great traders of all time, actually said he'd rather put his money on a guy coming into the markets trading on a shoestring than a guy coming in with $1 million. And his logic is the same as what I've been saying, really, that the guy who came in on a shoestring has probably struggled a bit, saved his money. He's going to be more kind of motivated and focused than perhaps the guy who comes in with millions, who's never had to really struggle in his life, or had a lot of setbacks. And I think Forex traders, when I go around the forums, I mean, it kind of irritates me when I see all this nonsense about, secret signal services, follow this, follow that. The fact is, all the great traders do not follow anyone. Everyone who is successful does it on their own. You'll never succeed unless you take responsibility for your trading signal, putting it in, knowing when you're wrong and taking it out, knowing when you're right as well, and following the trend. It's one of those things that you are on your own. Textbook knowledge doesn't help you. Simple systems work in Forex trading, but nothing is going to help you deal with uncertainty that you learn. You learn that through experience, and you adopt the right attitude. And if you're looking to achieve Forex trading success, forget all the textbook knowledge. It's there's tons of it around. In fact, a perfect example is I had an invitation on my email to join the Society of Technical Analysts at a discount. So I thought I'd go and have a look, and it was going to cost me, I think, £3,500. And now all I'm going to learn is just endless theory. But theory is nothing. At the end of the day, you've got to make a strategy work in the market. So you've got to perfect a strategy that has an edge. Theory means nothing. Now, there's lots of people who learn endless theories but can't make any money, and they think that is the route to success. It isn't. All you need to do is get a simple system and then basically trade it with confidence in the market, accept responsibility for what you're doing, accept that you are on your own. No one got successful in life by following anyone else. Everyone who's successful, is motivated, has confidence, and basically follows a plan with discipline. And at the end of the day, the only person who can make you win is yourself. The only person who can make you lose is yourself. So it's basically a choice. If you look at Forex trading, it's a simple business to learn. And then it really is down to your mindset. And forget about anyone telling you that you can't do it, because you can. There's been plenty of examples of people who may not have been that academically bright who have gone on to become superstar traders, and many people who've got degrees or doctorates or whatever have failed. When you're trading Forex, all you've got to keep in mind is if you're motivated and you want to win, you can win. You don't need that much education. Just accept responsibility and then trade with confidence and discipline, and then you will be on the road to Forex trading success. Thank you very much for watching this video. Take care and have a good day.